Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wells Fargo Online for bill pay full guide step by step clearly. To log into Wells Fargo Online for bill pay, first, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.wellsfargo.com. Once the page loads, look for the Log On button located in the top right corner. Click on the Log On button to access the login page. You will see fields for your username and password on the next screen. Enter your Wells Fargo Online username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want to stay signed in on that device, you can check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click the Log On button to proceed. If you forgot your username or password, click on the appropriate link for assistance. Once logged in, navigate to the Bill Pay tab on the main dashboard. Click on Bill Pay to access your payment options. Here, you can add payees by selecting Add a Payee. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for each payee. Once your payees are set up, you can schedule payments as needed. Select the payee you want to pay and choose the payment amount. Then, select the date you wish the payment to be made. Review your payment details before confirming the transaction. After confirming, you will receive a notification of your scheduled payment. You can view all your scheduled payments in the Payments section. Remember to log out of your account when you've completed your tasks. To log out, click on your name in the top right corner and select Log Off. Make sure to close your browser window for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.